think it's downstairs. I don't know.
Turn left to stay on Jefferson Drive, then turn right. Head north on Morgan's Landing Drive toward Roswell Road.
Oh. Go upstairs. That's good one.
He probably has some time with his owner.
Mm-hmm. You know, who out there? Yeah, we just gotta figure out what apartment is which one.
Head east on Jefferson Drive, then make a U-turn.
I don't think we go up.
Turn left to stay on Jefferson Drive, then turn right to stay on Jefferson Drive.
These the numbers. So it's 312 to 314. Okay, see, ours ain't right.
They're
here.
just not.
Okay. Huh. I wonder if it's down there. This is so confusing. But we gonna figure it out, you know? All right, it's down here. Yeah, in the car. I told you to drink some before we left. You gotta start listening. You be so gung-ho to be in that daggone tablet or phone or whatever. You better take care of yourself. Is this the same area? No. These dogs. We're gonna have to talk. Try that.
Is this one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I like the kitchen.
You like the kitchen? Hold on with me. Shut the door. Oh yeah, the kitchen area is nice. I like it. No, we don't have an upstairs.
This is boring. This is more than 3 rooms. This is 3 rooms.
This is the laundry area. Everything's electric. I can respect that. Feel like somebody was frying fish in here before they left.
How much you rate this place?
Huh?
How much you rate this place?
I give this place an 8.
Yeah, me too. I mean, at least they all stop working.
Oh, and they got a little song. Oh, I love this. Look at this whole little area back here. You can come and just...
You know what? I'm changing my rate. I give this an 8.
What you gave it in the first place? I thought you gave it an 8. What was your first number?
7.
Oh, okay. I had to ask. Okay, this is really, really dope. For an apartment, you know?
Apartments smell like total stuff.
Be careful, please. There we go. That. Boy, hush. Why would I leave you? You sound crazy. I got a small little storage area.
You forgot me. Wait. I was just about to say that. Please.
Yeah. It's very peaceful out here, though. Shit, this time it's cheaper to live here than another place. Another place more, they charging you for trash.
And the roof is so high that you can barely get a good echo of noise.
What else they was trying to charge for? You gotta pay the gas bill and everything in here is electric. This is a walk-in closet. Very big window here. Huge window. And you can open it too. They got the bathroom. Excuse me, Christian. Women's phone. Closet. Big ass kitchen sink window. Nice big tub. I love this place. This is really nice. They really updated this to look really, really nice. This will totally be my bedroom. And they got the ceiling fan too. Oh my God. And you can close the walk-in closet. This is really nice. One apartment over. And then this is the second bathroom. We got the double vanity. Big old tub and shower.
I don't know about that.
And linen closet. Nice toilet. Look at the toilet. This is really nice. It's nice and updated. Look at me. I'm so pretty. Look at all of these. This chick. Alright. And then the robes. Here's the first one. Can y'all stop? And it's like a little nook area. You can put like a little desk or something right there. Oh my God.
A computer.
In a little closet. That can be like a little office area or something. And then, right, it's nice. It's very nice. I'm glad I came here. Then you see the other ceiling fan. I like that it has ceiling fans. So this is really nice. And then they got the little area right here, the little shelf area. Shoot, I can put all of the computer stuff right here as well. This is a nice space. I really like this.
Yeah, you can put the chair right there with the computer.
And then this kitchen area is just so dope.
I know.
Like I'll be making some good meals in here. Okay.
Yeah, it's like a rich person's house or something.
Yes. This is really nice. Really, really nice.
You gotta pay water bills too.
I don't think so. I think that may be included in the rent. It should be. I know the place down the street is not included in the rent. They want you to pay for the sewer, the water, and you have to pay for your gas, electric.